Okay, this is how you change the 211 215 grapple fork slash shovel. So we're gonna start by removing the shovel. Need a pliers or an adjustable if you have it. Okay, so you have like two screw. One screw you need a Phillips screwdriver, another one you need like a pliers. So basically you're going, after you pull the first one, you got to push it out. Like use a pliers or not your pliers, your screwdriver, push it out, remove, and it's basically it right there. So we're going to put this one on. This is a grapple fork. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is. It's basically the same way you take it out, you put it on. Okay, so here we go. So make sure you guys line it up properly. Everything has to be in line, like right here. Okay. This is how you do it, just like that. One screw in first, you gotta catch this one first. So once you get this one, you can like put your screw back on. Like, you know what I mean? So we're gonna do the other part. So it's actually two screws. It's really easy, nothing hard to it. All you need is a screwdriver and the pliers, and that's it. That's basically it. That's it.